Hello, beautiful makers. I have just come home and our parcel from my Clayco has arrived. And like a small child, I just opened it up, ripped it open and like tore off the stickers. And then I was like, I really need to share with you. I'm so excited about these. So I'm going to show you our new order from my Clayco because it's super cute. All right. Okay, so we have two boxes. This one is from my Clayco, and this one is from Preppamint. But you know, Tegan and Karla are amazing, and I'm sorry I already opened it up. We have our cute little thank you note, and I'm sorry I already just like ripped the sticker off. Look at our new cutters from my Clayco. Look at them. We've got this cute little cats and jumpers, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these. Look, we're going to do cool things with silk screens. And look at this lighthouse and these snakes. Oh my goodness. Sorry about the roosters. It's raining. And look at these cute little houses. And, you know, we also got these other little lighthouses because Fiona loves lighthouses. And a cute big Christmas tree. And I love these fishies. You know that we love everything folk. We love everything folk. So, of course, when my Clayco did folk fishies, we were like, thank you. We will have some of those. And, of course, we got some of these. Look at these lovely little floral and folk designs because we also love that. And Christmas ornaments. I was like, yes, please. Thank you very much. And look at this folk big fish trinket. I want to try something with maybe some textures in this front part. I think that could be really cute. And look at these cutout ornaments. Oh my goodness. Like, can you just see some like bits of like gold foil designs in there? Yes, please. And we have the bookmark. I couldn't decide between the bat and the koala, so I got both, obviously. Right, now put everything back because I really like to keep everything in boxes until I can get them into our cutter storage. Okay, so that's the my Clayco box. And this is our Preppamint box. I'm very excited about this. I don't know if you're excited, but I'm very excited. I'm super excited. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, look. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for 2026. Look at these cute stickers. Like, honestly. And look at this pen. Isn't this color scheme just great? Oh my gosh. You ladies are so clever. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's open this up. Let's open her up. Oh, ready? Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's Preppamint. Okay, let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Put these over here. All right. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Everybody. Obviously, this is going to say to me. Oh, guys. I'm feeling more organized already. I already feel more organized. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Ladies, I already feel way more organized. Obviously, May, my birthday. So, like, May is the most awesome month in the entire year. Oh, I feel so organized. Yay!